Express yourself, mommy. Dance your sorrows away, mommy. Dance like nobody they look, mommy. Dance and wiggle your waist, man.
But I'm using the aloe vera gel as my pre-poo, so I will show you how I went from this here not very defined curls to but first, the word of God. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, hey, I am Lisa. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell like button, that way you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So today we are back with another video. It's going to be how I basically moisturize or deep condition my hair, my curly hair. This hair is from Peakmill.com. The link will be down below. I absolutely love this hair. This is by far the best curly hair I've ever had. And obviously curly hair, you need to keep it moisturizing, but this hair, once you just put water and conditioner, you're good to go. But I wanted to do a little what do they call these, a little, guys, I cannot for the life of me remember what that word is. In science, what do? Experiment. What? Blow my mind. I use aloe vera on the regular basis. I use it on my natural hair, on the girl's natural hair, on my son's natural hair too. So we love aloe vera over here. I just wanted to see how the aloe vera gel would define the curls back, but really all you need, this hair loves this stuff right here. This is the Aussie Miracle Moisture or Miracle Moist and conditioner. This is what it is. It's with avocado and then the Australian jojoba oil. It just loves it. This with water, it would do just fine. I will still do this, but I'm using the aloe vera gel as my pre-poo. So I will show you how I went from this here not very defined curls to
challenge people.
So out of those 4 aloe vera leaves that I'm showing you right now, I only used 3, although I should have probably used all 4 because it's a lot of hair, but the 3 was just fine as well. So anyways, I went ahead and cut them open and used all the gel, just scooped up all the gel because that's what we need. That's the key to our beautiful luscious moisturized hair. Now don't get me wrong, this hair is already beautiful by itself, like you really don't need much, but I just wanted to experiment and got really great results. I used to mix my aloe vera gel before, but I found that it loses its sliminess or the gooiness after I mix it, so I just don't do it anymore. I just like to drain it out, and I don't get the white residue on the hair anyways when I do this. So I just prefer to drain all the aloe vera out and use it like that. I did part the hair into 4 different parts just to make sure no strand was left behind. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier. I might have mentioned like this is a moisturizing thing, but it's mainly like a pre-poo slash detangler. That's kind of how I'm using it, as a pre-poo and detangler. Although I did not shampoo the hair, I just co-washed it with that conditioner that you saw. So that's what I did, but I am loving it. It's just so lush, so beautiful, the hair.